Hello, in this video I'll show you how to connect your A2A server to your local GenAI infrastructure. Please check that I have started my A2A server on the port 9001, and in order to connect your server to your local infrastructure, you just need to paste the URL. Basically, you have two options. You can either expose your port via ngrok and use public URL, or if you want to use your internal one, you need to change it to the Docker format, because Docker doesn't accept our internal local URL. I mean, like 127, all zeros. We need to change it to Docker format. As a hint, you can navigate to GenAI Agentos repo, main README, scroll down, and you will see the link example. We can just copy it, go to A2A agent section, click on the plus button, paste the URL, change it to 9001, and click create. As you can see, we got connected our A2A server, and you can see what skills it has. So in our case, our server can work with the text, do summarization, grammar check, and other skills. Like right now, let's test it out. We open the chat. I have previously generated some 500-word text about AI. Let's copy it, and let's ask our application to summarize this text. So please summarize this text in 50 words. So paste the text. This request might take a while because A2A is using LLM under the hood to understand which tool to use and then to resolve our request. So the execution can take about 20 seconds. As you can see, this text is pretty big. As you can see, we got the response, and let's take a look at execution trace. And as you can see, our A2A server was used. Thank you so much for watching.